Hi, Sarah, and everyone over at Ace Contracting Group. My name's Christian Renna. I'm with RenGen SEO, local digital marketing agency. I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you some free tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence and make some money on your own. So first thing, I noticed that you guys don't have a website from what I can see, but you do have a Facebook page. So you understand the importance of being online. Maybe either A, you're just not sure how to get a website, or you're not ready for it yet, or not sure how big you want to expand your company. Either way, contrary to popular belief, websites can bring you money on their own. So without paying Angie's List, Home Advisor, Who's, Porch.com, rather than paying those companies to bring you leads, which they're then handing out to 3 or 4 other contractors, you can have your own website, and your website will bring you leads on its own. So crazy to think, but it's true. So you guys do have a Facebook group and Facebook page. So either way, let's get started. 3 things I want to talk about: content, citations, and backlinks. So this is going to be a little bit different because you guys don't have a website. But when you do decide to get a website, I'll actually pull up this one. So this is an example of a nice builder website. When you do get a website, you're going to want to make sure that you have 1,500 words minimum on every page that you're trying to rank. Content is king. So the more content you have, the better off you seem, the more trustworthy, and the more relevant you appear to Google. So 1,500 words, and then you're going to want to be sure to include buyer intent keywords in there. So just do some research, buyer intent keywords, and make sure that on any page that you're trying to rank, you have 1,500 words and you include some buyer intent keywords. Next is citations. So I typed in Lapeer Home Builders. We got Wow Sow, we got Stevens, we got Lausman, we got Grand Legacy. You guys aren't here. I'm pretty sure the reason you're not here is because you don't have a website. But either way, this is where you want to be. So we got Wow Sow, Steven Builders, Lausman, Grand Legacy, Brookwood, Golfview, Allen Edwin. We got Sharkey, we got Ed Angster, RLP, Future Homes, and the list goes on and on. Regardless, this is where you want to be. And when you have a website, you can be here. And really, this is where you want to be, but above that, where you want to be is you want to be right here, number 1. You want someone to type in home builders, and you want a phone number to pop up on their phone, you want them to call you, right? And there's a lot of volume for that, a lot of room to grow. That's where you want to be. And so citations are going to help you get there. And what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. So we got Facebook, you got one right there. And then you got Yellow Pages, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Instagram, Twitter, just to name a few, Chamber of Commerce. So you're going to want to get your business name, address, and phone number out onto these various directories, and they're going to give you citations. And the more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack for the various buyer intent keywords. And then, so obviously, like Lapeer might not be the only city you want to build a house in. Maybe you want to build one in Attica. Maybe you want to build a house in Davison. And you want to pull up in those cities and in those map packs. And so just do your homework on buyer intent keywords, and then make sure that you have 1,500 words on those Facebook pages, or on those, on those pages that you're trying to rank. Now, next, so Stevens Home Builders. So I just pulled this one up just to show you guys an example of what a map pack looks like. So this is Stevens Home Builders GMB, but this would be yours. It would say Ace Contracting Group. When you get your GMB, you're going to want to push. We tell all of our clients 25 reviews or more. So Stevens has only 9, so he's got some room for improvement, but that's okay. So you're going to want to push for 25 reviews, and then you're going to want to try and get at least 10 photos in here. And then, like I said before, you're going to want to save those photos properly. So when you do build a website and you upload photos to your website, make sure that you don't save them as like what the computer generates on its own. So a lot of times the computer will generate names, file names for these photos that isn't right. So it'll say like image file with some numbers and letters. Well, that's not doing you any good. So every way that you can possibly help your website rank is gonna do you wonders. So you want to save all your photos as buyer intent keywords, and that holds true for this map pack too. And then just make sure that you have your address and your hours, phone number, and your website listed down here. And this is just an example because you guys don't have one. So I just wanted to show you what you guys would get once you get your website. But James Edwards, this is a pretty nicely laid out website. And then I'll show you what this website's doing for him. I type in Lansing Home Builders. He's #1. This guy's an ad. WowSal, they're there too, but that's an ad. They're paying for that, and a lot of people don't even click on those ads. So this is an organic one. He's got 41 reviews, and and so he pulled up #1 when I type in Lansing Home Builders, and Mayberry's after him, and Mayberry's a big company, so he's doing something right. And that's just an example of what a website can do for your business. And he's not paying Angie's List and Home Advisor. This website right here is bringing in money, and I would never believed it either before, but it's true. And then, so I just used him as a better example because Stevens isn't really that good of an example, but this is a paid tool we use called Ahrefs. The last thing I want to talk about is called backlinks. So once you get your website like jamesedwardbuilders.com, you're gonna put that out on the internet, on the web. But you just want to make sure that you only put it out to websites that are not spammy, not full of ads, and that are relevant. So you guys are a home builder. So you want to be on materials websites, and you guys want to be on home builder websites. You don't want your website popping up when somebody types in lawn chairs in Detroit, because that's not going to do you any business, and then it's actually going to rank you as being spammy. So do some homework on those 3 things I talked about today. Content, 1,500 words. Backlinks, when you have your website, and citations, which you could actually start doing now. And I guarantee you're going to start bringing in leads more than you've ever imagined. So the volume for home builders in Michigan is high. And if you want a piece of that action, I would highly recommend getting yourself a website. So thanks for watching. And if you have any feedback, questions, feel free to get in touch with us. Otherwise, I hope your 2021 is good. And take care.